How?
What did you say?
Where?
Where?
Minus.
Yes, Dad.
I only went out to visit a friend. I'll be coming back soon.
But Dad, I just... Okay, Dad. In 20 minutes I should be done where I am and I'll start coming home. Alright. I need to start going home now. My father needs my attention at the palace. And I have a feeling all is not right. Let's go. Let's go.
Braid, get her phone. Switch it on. What did you save the king's number with? Answer me!
Daddy. Sweet daddy. Sweet daddy.
Do you really think he's as sweet as you say?
Allah is calling.
Hello?
Ola.
This is not Ola. Call me Skipo. May I know who I'm speaking with?
Igwa Mobi, one of Umagu Kingdom.
Good. Your daughter is in my custody.
Yes, yes.
Shut up. Did you hear her? And don't you involve the police. Because if you do, I will send parts of her body to you as souvenir.
Okay, I will not involve the police. But please, don't harm my daughter. Do you hear me?
In due time, I will tell you what to do.
I'm finished. Please, my take my daughter away. What is it keep me here there for?
What's going on? What happened?
Your sister has been kidnapped.
What? How? Why?
The kidnappers called a few moments ago, but they have not said anything yet.
Oh my God, what's the motive for the kidnap? Why would they kidnap her? What's she doing here?
She brought the news to us.
What happened?
My friends and Ola. Princess Ola went out to visit a friend. On our way out, we were double-crossed by a car and they took her away. They took her away.
It's okay.
Mother, you walked past me, you didn't greet me.
What were you doing when I passed you?
It was only a moment of reflection.
Reflections? Reflections about what, Mommy? Why would you always do this to yourself? Every now and then you cry over the pictures of Dad and Obinna. Why? Why are you hurting yourself? What if you fall and die? I'll be left alone with that rootless son of yours who never wanted my happiness.
Susan, don't you always blame Afam and take side with the prince? Who saw him and ran away? Eh? Does that not tell you that something is wrong somewhere? There is something they know that the both of us don't know. Yes, I have that spirit and I'm feeling it. That there's something that has to do with the both of them, even before ever the prince met you.
But Mommy, Afam has refused to say anything to me. He wouldn't talk to me.
Ask the prince. He will tell you. My spirit tells me that Afam is fighting a just cause.
It's alright.
That's not why I'm here. Ola the princess came with her friend to visit you. They stayed for a while and then they left.
Oh really? Okay, I would give her a call.
Okay.
Later.
Okay.
Mommy, please. I love you.
I love you too, my
I don't
little.
want anything to happen to you. Stop thinking too much.
No. I am involved in the police.
Oh, Your Highness, you cannot involve the police at this point. Let us not be rash. Let's be still for some time. I don't want them to kill my daughter as they threatened.
Don't you know that the police will blame me if anything goes wrong for not informing them earlier?
Dad, we need to find out the motive for the kidnap and what they want. And find out what they want before taking any action.
He's right.
You think so?
Yes, Father.
Okay. All right. I'll wait. I'll wait until tomorrow.
I want you both to accompany Adana to the venue of the incident. Okay. You can remember the spot, right?
Yes, my prince.
And make sure you bring back Princess Ola's car. Go.
I do, my prince.
All right. What's going on? What's happening? How?
Alpha. So, what's up now? What's my next plan?
I'm still thinking. I did think.
You know, see by now, Princess will be hungry. She will be itch. So we need to tidy her something. Make she chow.
Oh. That's not true. I forget to. Wait.
So she got her life now. So.
Take.
Pampa.
Buy her food.
What does she like? Rice or beans?
You the Chris. I mean, you talk to anyhow, you mad. How you gonna ask me stupid question? Yes, how they follow the stay for palace.
My bad.
See, as you they go, drop this cigar. Behave like a decent man. Make them not suspect you.
It's okay. It's okay. By tomorrow, we will find a solution.
Mommy, why are you here? Why are you not sleeping by this time of the night?
How can I go to bed? How do I find sleep when my only surviving son is out there in the dark. His lines are not going through.
Mommy, why are you doing this to yourself? Afam is an adult. He can take care of himself. You shouldn't bother.
Afam barely sleeps out. Afam will tell you where he's going if he's not coming back. As I speak with you, his phone is switched off.
That reminds me, Mommy. I had a very terrible dream about him. Yes. And when I woke up, I couldn't sleep back. I went to his room to search for him. He wasn't there. So I decided to come down here and probably watch the television to while away time before I met you here.
What is the dream all about?
I can't really explain all, but it wasn't good, Mommy.
Yeah.
It wasn't. Hello, Uzo.
Hello, how are you?
I'm not fine. You are the only one who can make me feel alright now.
I want to ask you a question.
Go on.
Did Ola come to your house today?
So I heard. My mother said she visited with her friend and they waited for a while. Because I didn't come back on time, they left. I hope all is well.
She never got home. She got kidnapped.
What?
What is it?
And we are tensed here. My mother and I couldn't sleep because Afam's phone is switched off and he's not back. What is going on? Hello? Hello, Uzo. Mommy. Uzo just told me now that his sister, the princess, has been kidnapped.
No.
Igwe.
Oh no, you know me to be a good king.
That's correct, Igwe.
I do not oppress people.
That's true.
All my judgments, all my rulings are always for justice.
That is true, Igwe.
If you know anyone who feels oppressed with any of my rulings or judgment, oh no, please tell me. Tell me. I am willing to readdress the issue all over again.
Igwe, there is no iota of doubt in my mind or anybody else that you are a good king. It is also true that you are a just king. You believe absolutely in justice. And I can tell you that there is no one in this kingdom that is after you.
To the best of my knowledge, I don't think you've offended anyone that is coming after you.
For this case of kidnap, it's either there is a mix-up somewhere or the people are strictly after the ransom. If not, I don't see any reason for anyone to come after you. So I believe that there is something wrong somewhere.
Oh no.
Igwe.
You have spoken the truth.
Thank you, Igwe.
You have followed after your father's footsteps.
Igwe.
It is well with you.
Igwe.
And it will continue to be well with you.
Thank you, Igwe.
My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Yeah. Helele, helele, mama. My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Can you hear me? Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama. Helele, oh, oh, oh. Helele, helele, mama. Mama. Helele, helele, mama.
I hope you bought from somewhere else. You remember she didn't like the other food the other day.
Trust me, this one is nice.
Give it to her, she's very hungry.
Right.
Please, 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 I'm a virgin. Please, please, please. Please, please, as the princess of Umaga, I don't need to lose my virginity. I have to remain a virgin until I'm married.
That makes it better.
Please, please. If I lose this virginity now, they will ostracize me from my kingdom.
Shut up your mouth. Look, you're a very beautiful girl. If you comply with me, I would untie your hands. I would remove your blindfold and free you. So just keep quiet and let us make this.
Please, 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 please.
Chuka is trying to rape the princess. What? Chuka is trying to rape the princess as we speak.
Nonsense! I'm doing. If you say one more word here, I will blow off your brains. What nonsense? We didn't adopt her to molest or humiliate her. We are on a course. An unfulfilled course. And you big-head want to jeopardize the whole thing.
Afam, I'm sorry. Afam, no vex. I get too fine. I was just lusting on her beauty. I beg.
Shut up! Nonsense! But you promised to release her if she succumbs to you.
But that's not what I am. I was just telling her dad to calm her down. I can't do a thing like that now, boy.
Chuka.
No vex, no vex. No vex. Sit down and pour water for my darling.
If you try it, I'll blow off your brains. Down! Go down!
Go down.
Stupid.
Thank you, match me down.
Nonsense.
My guy, you match me down.
Go down. Useless fail.
Princess, come. Don't worry. It's me. It's me. Come on. I need no harm, okay? Just come with me. You're fine now. One guy, do not take down. It's okay. It's okay. I'm with you now, nobody will hurt you, okay? It's okay. Shut up! You're a rapist. You're a rapist! Guys, they match me down.
You're very stupid.
Why are you doing this?
I'm on a quest to achieve an aim of permanent interest.
You don't sound evil, but I can sense traces of vengeance in your voice.
Vengeance is of God. But sometimes, you wait for God's vengeance to no avail. I've got to do what I've got to do to satisfy my conscience.
Conscience? Do you have one?
I'm sorry about the molestation.
Anis.
Dad, Mom, I have a confession to make. I don't want you both to be mad at me. I just want you to listen and hear me out.
Speak.
I was...
Nah, Uzom, talk, oh, for my sake, talk. Say, just say it the way it is, oh. Whatever it is, I will forgive you, just say it. Say it now, please, say it. For my sake, say it.
Phone call. An unknown number.
What? Pick it.
Must
Pick it.
be the kidnappers.
Yes, pick.
Hello. Hello? I'm the man who held your daughter hostage. So what do you want? Igwe Amobi-1 of Umuago. I am summoning you, your son, and your wife to my house. If you want to see your daughter alive.
Michiegono. I said, shut up. Michiegono Anwofia. How dare you talk to me in such a condescending manner? Do you not realize that I am a king? No one summons a king.
Okay now.
My daughter.
It's okay. It's okay. I hope you did not shoot her.
This is just a warning. Next time I won't miss my target. In case you're coming, come with the other two I mentioned. And do not involve the police. I repeat,
Do not involve the police if you want to see your daughter alive. Listen to me. I said do not involve the police to avoid bloodbath. Where are we coming to? I will call you to direct you.
Father, this is beyond.
Son, one day you are going to be a king, and kings are fearless.
It's magic touch on the beat.
If I allow tradition to rule me in this case, I may end up losing my daughter. What sort of a king will I then be? The one that couldn't save his child from harm's way? Oh God, no, 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 no. My daughter needs me more now than ever. Who knows what she's facing?
Who is there? Susan, check. Wait.
Okay.
Where is Afam?
Afam? Yes. Afam has not come home for some days now. I've not heard from him, and I've not seen him.
Jesus Christ.
I'm beginning to have a very bad feeling that all is not well. Even Susan had a bad dream about him.
Yes, I did.
Mom, have you reported this case to the police?
I've not thought about that before. Hey, Susan, be fast, get me my purse. Let's go with him to the police station. Oh?
Alright, Mommy.
The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. It's a lie. Every time that you call, I'll be there for me. It's a lie. Every time that you want me, I'll be there. It's a lie. It's a lie. It's a lie. I will cry for love. I will fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because
Welcome.
Hey, Mahana.
Fine.
Go inside.
Yeah, this is my
Go inside.
Oga in Ashata. You didn't have this today, Oga.
Today is a good day. Better day for you today. Just go ahead, enter your post.
Enter your
post. Enter your post. I go surprise you.
Okay.
Hey, Oga. Enter now, enter. Better day for you today. I will still call you.
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even every time that you want me, I'll be there.
What? Afam! Are you the one that kidnapped the princess of Umagu?
Was she missing?
Yes, she was. My fiance, her brother called me the other day and told me that her sister was kidnapped. Fam, how terrible can you be?
It is for a purpose.
What stupid purpose, Afam? No change.
Susan, take her inside.
Hey.
Give me chance. Do you hear me? Chance.
You're right.
Give me chance.
Ola, I'm so sorry. I'm sorry over what my brother did to you. He's so strange these days. No one seems to understand him anymore. Please, forgive.
He's a good man. He has a good heart. I remember his conversation with his friend when they kidnapped me. He is caring. So caring. I fell in love with him even when I haven't seen him. And when he ungagged me, I saw my dream man standing right before me. Tall, dark, with a very beautiful athletic body. I remember him, he gripped me. He was trying to rest me on something. I don't know because then I was gagged. But I remember that grip. It was, I don't know how to explain it, but that grip just sends an electrifying shock all over my spine. I don't know how to explain it. I love him. Please, would you talk to him for me? Not to worry. I will do that myself. I can.
Where is my daughter?
I am the skipper you spoke with on phone. I found the Bible. In the Bible, they say what goes around comes around. Ask your son what he did to me. He destroyed me.
Sir, please, will you shut up?
You realize you are sitting in the office of the Vice Chancellor. Once in my office, you conduct yourself with absolute decorum. Young man, it's obvious the allegations leveled against you are true.
Sir, please. Sir, there is this saying that the devil you know is better than the angel you don't know.
This man sitting by me is a green snake under the green grass. I know him very well.
Skipo! Skipo, why are you like this? Like, when will you change? Even before the vice chancellor of this institution, you still display your crass irresponsibility?
Oh, wait. Skip what?
Skipo, sir.
Oh, what sort of name is that?
Answer.
Oh, well, I remember 1966, the book, The Final Truth. There was this irresponsible character. Proof out. Yes. That goes by the name Skipo. Anyway, let me not digress. Young man, it is obvious you don't want to toe the line of peace in this citadel of higher learning. The Senate already decided your case. You are expelled.
Oh, sir, please. Sir, I'm innocent of this allegation leveled against me.
You move now.
Sir, I'm innocent. Move! This man should move! Sir, move away from there.
Do you realize? I'll take him out. You don't realize you are talking to him.
Uzochukwu, you heard him. You heard all that he said. Is it the truth or is it false? Answer me.
Yes, Dad. It all happened in our days in the university. Laura, listen to me. The truth is, each day I see you on campus, I get even more caught up with your beauty, and I can't help. I can't resist it. I'm just asking you to give me a chance. Let's have a relationship, you know, like you'll enjoy me.
Well, I really appreciate that. But the truth is that I have a boyfriend. I don't double date. I love him so much. I can't do that.
Oh, okay, that's fine. I understand, but listen to me. You have to consider your prospects. I'll give you a good life. All I need you to do is don't rush it. Go home, think about it, and then give me your feedback.
There's no point wasting your time. There is nothing to think about here. It's fine now. I have a boyfriend. Good day.
I know her boyfriend.
You do?
Yeah. One tall black guy. They call Skipo. Very rugged.
You rugged?
Yeah.
You rugged past me for this campus? I mean, Papa owns this place. Listen to me. You see that babe? I go run now.
Correct.
Nothing go happen. You hear me, so?
Sure.
Obina, which of the corps did you join?
Bros, why are you saying this?
Will you answer me, my friend? Which of the corps did you join?
Bros, I don't belong to any court. And I'm not even interested.
Are you aware that that guy you are moving around with on campus is a cultist? And anyone seen around him is branded a cultist.
Hey! Bros, are you serious? He said that he likes me and he would always want me to be around him. That's all.
Henceforth, you're living with me. So get all your belongings and move over to my place. You get me?
Baby. What is wrong with you, fool? How dare you touch my body? Are you okay? Huh? Look at him. Oh, you think I'm one of those girls you disturb on this campus?
What did you just call me?
Exactly what you heard. Fool!
You open your mouth, call me fool. You call me moo.
Whatever.
Mad?
What did I do to you?
Something they do you for head?
What did I do to you?
I go wash your face now if you don't
Is it my fault?
Are you mad?
What did I do to you? What did I do to you?
You touch me. Your heart touch me.
Baby. Baby.
What happened?
He slapped me. I didn't do anything to him.
How dare you? How dare you? What is wrong? Hey! I just can't believe this is happening to me. A whole me skipper. I promised Laura I was going to marry her after school. She's the only girl that truly loved me.
Calm down, Alpha. Time heals all wounds. Huh? After this moment of grief comes the storm now. Abakase benene. You know how they be. You know how they be now. We don't talk this matter. Calm down. Calm down, boss.
Oh, with the touch body. This one touch my soul. And I don't see him now. They don't let go my killing. They don't see him. Come on, what you go do? Wake up, Obi. Obina, why did you come here? Why did you come here? Obina, please. Oh. Hey. Obina, I told you. Stay away from this guy. Why did you come here? Hey.
Hey!
It's okay. It's all right. Calm down, madam. Calm down. All that happened in the past. Okay? I will know how to deal with my son, but that will be when we get back to the palace. Please, where is my daughter?
Hola. Hola. That is not all. You caused the death of my brother. And I promised him I was going to avenge his death. And here you are standing at my mercy.
Afam, please. I beg you in God's name. Forgive me, Afam. I know I've caused a lot of damage to your family, but I'm sorry, I'm a changed person. I realized my mistakes and I went to ask God for forgiveness. Please.
You! Hey!
I can't believe this. I can't believe that I ever fell in love and got pregnant for a beast like you. The same man who caused the death of my brother. I'm sorry. I can never marry you. You're such an evil man. You're evil. You're evil. You're evil.
Please.
Hey! Hey! Hey!
Please. Please drop the gun. Please. Calm down. Drop the gun, please. Please. You. I certainly will know how to punish you for dragging me and the entire royal household into this mess. You will certainly not go unpunished.
Igwe, please, I beg you, release my son, let us go in peace. Biko, I am promising you, Igwe, he will not trouble anyone here again. Please.
I am a king of justice, and I believe in justice. Look at you. Just look at you. Look at you pleading. Like a mother who loves her son. When that miscreant chose a life of crime. He never remembered that he has a mother who loves him. Look at what you're passing through. Just look at you. Anyone who chooses a life of crime has a price to pay, which they must pay, including my son.
Hey, Daddy.
Yes, they will be transferred to the maximum prison.
My husband, I beg you, in the name of the cause of this land, temper justice with mercy. Remember, he's our only son, the only hope of someone that will succeed you. I'll tell you what happens to this kingdom, what happens to me.
He's our only son. But he did not remember that when he chose a life of crime. They have a price to pay, which they must pay.
I beg you, please, I beg you. I beg you, Allah, please help me beg your father, please. Igwe, this will console me. Igwe, please. Igwe, please. I beg you. Pick up. Igwe, please. Please. Please, I beg you. Please, I beg you.
Release Afam to you? Are you insane? Wait, are you out of your mind?
But mommy.
Don't you mommy me. Instead of you to plead on behalf of your own blood brother, you're pleading for a total stranger that is not part of your family.
Mom, between both of them, who is worse? Uzo, my brother, knows what happened to Afam's brother. Mommy, can't you see? Can't you feel the agony that made Afam kidnap me just to unveil the truth? If not for Afam, we wouldn't have known that Uzo, my brother, is a cultist.
OGONNA, you shocked me. I am so. Are you still my daughter? Are you still part of us? Rather, you're against us. You judge your own brother by his past. Your brother now is a Christian. He's a totally new person. The Bible says that when a man is in Christ Jesus, see, all things have passed away. Behold, all have become new. Your brother today is a totally new person in Christ. You judge him by his past.
Mom, once a cultist is a cultist.
And once a kidnapper is always a kidnapper.
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you call, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. Every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Every time that you want me, I'll be there.
Susan, thank you for being kind enough to accept to keep the pregnancy in spite of everything. I want to assure you that I will take full responsibility for your upkeep. Whatever you need, please reach me directly.
Mrs. Udemba.
Igwe.
As for your son, Afam, I'll see what I can do.
Thank you, Igwe.
I appreciate everything. Thank you too. Thank you.
I love you so much, Susan. I believe we are destined for each other.
Wait. What about the baby?
I don't mind. I will father the child.
You will?
Yes.
I love you too. I love you. I love you.
Thank you very much.
Hello? Odema, Onyeneko. I'm fine. How did you get my number? No, not at all. I'm only curious. Restless. I hope there's no problem.
I can cry for love. I can fight for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. I can fight for love. I can cry for love. The moment you called, the reason I came is because of love. Even every time that you call, I'll be there for you. Even every time that you want me, I'll be there. Even
I found out that you're not the kind of person people think that you are. You have a nice heart, and you're a good person. Let me just say it out. Let me be sincere with you. I fell in love with you while you kidnapped me. I don't know. You're the dream man that I anticipated to spend the rest of my life with.
Ola. I feel the same way too. You see, I have these deep feelings of love for you. I've not been myself ever since you left the house.
Really?
Believe me. Ola.
Yes?
Be my woman, and I will be your man.
Thank you.
Can I have a toast to that?
soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win. Yeah. Helele, helele, mama. My heart, my soul will never give up on love. Helele, helele, mama. There's a change in the air, I know. There's a battle I must win.